Okay.
Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? Anyways guys, so kasi sa video na to guys, magtatagalog ako dahil ang daming nag-request na magtagalog daw ako, no? Hindi mo na tayo English ngayon guys, so let's speak Tagalog this time. Maybe Taglish na lang para fair. So, meron tayong bagong update. We have a new update guys, and of course it's all about Valentine's because Valentine's is gonna be tomorrow, you know? Bukas na yung Valentine's guys. So, we have here the heart meter tsaka heart eater. Huh? They are coming straight for your heart. Alright, ito na naman tayo sa ROS guys. Blue Romance. Wow, love is in the air. Ang ganda. ROS MVP challenge. Huh? More details, click. Okay. ROS MVP $5,000. Custom billboard with game logo. Okay, guys, kailangan nyo ni-click. You have to click that and for you to be routed to website. Ita-transfer ka niya sa isang website na makikita nyo yung yung nakikita ko ngayon. So I can't show you that. Ganito na lang. Yeah, maybe later on. But yeah, so we do have Valentine's special today guys sa ROS for today's update. Tignan natin yung pinakauna, yung Valentine's Day exclusive looks. Makikita nyo yan dyan sa itaas. You know, you can see that there. The very top. Valentine's Day exclusive looks. So, tingnan natin kung ano to. Walang sound. Pero ang ganda ng animation I like the animation. It's cool. It's cool. Diyos ko Lord. Oy, ROS! Gumawa na naman ng Beauty and the Beast yung ROS, guys. What the nani? Ito na naman. Lucky Draw 25. Huh? Exclusive looks The Girl, the Beast. Heartbreaker set 1680. Heart Melter set 998. Collect both looks to activate Heartbreaker's Beast mode. Can change form in battle. Wow! Preview Beast mode. Oh, okay. Anong rate? Ano ba to? Okay, so may 25. So, try natin siya, guys. Limited time sale. Mail and looks to participate in draws with a chance to claim looks item. Once a looks special. Okay, transform to Heartbreaker during battle. Okay. So, may 25 diamond siya. Let's try it once. We got the 3 days. Not bad. Okay. Alright, so basically mag-suspend ka dyan ng diamonds 998 tapos 1680. So yun. Dito exclusive firearms. Meron tayong exclusive firearms. Collect 1111 heart romance medallions to upgrade. Okay. Eto, click natin yung question mark dyan. Let's get the question mark. Only for basic skins. Skins can be upgraded to do 2 different forms. Dalawa yung niya. Style niya. Upgrading skins requires a certain amount of romantic medallions. Romantic medallions. During the event, daily login will reward players with romantic medallions. Okay? So, daily login yan pag nag-login kayo. Participation in duo matches. Every 2 kills will reward 3 romantic medallions. Every 2 kills. Whoa. Up to 45 romantic medallions daily. Okay? Romantic medallion can be purchased with diamonds. Okay? So, pag meron ka nito, pag binili mo to, which is 1 to 80, Romance Medallions 5, preview. Oh, ito pala yung niya. Wow. So, this is the other form. The pink one is the other form. Wow. What's this gun? Thompson? Of course, it's a Thompson. Thompson yan, di ba? Thompson yan eh. Team up, add play rank matches. Skill 2 enemies get login daily. Oh, okay, ito yung makukuha mo. So, it's 1 to 80. Which is, hindi ko muna bibilin yan. Valentine's Day Carnival. So, you have the Carnival, guys. This is like the boot camp. So, pare-pareho siya. So, i-claim mo yan. Yun. Makakuha ka ng mga ganyan. Ganda ng animations ngayon, Yun. Yan. Spray paint naman. Ross, please, if you're watching this, please remove the spray paint from the game. Spray paints are not really... they're useless. Lack of a better term. They're useless. Because when you press number 5, instead of using a grenade, you accidentally use spray paints and it destroys the gameplay. I hope you watch this video and realize that spray paints are really just useless in the game. So that's my opinion about it. And many as well told me that, what the heck was that? Huh? Okay, so you can get event points. So you can also buy it. Okay, alright. You can also buy it and get this ultimate reward, death box. Oh, so when you die, you're gonna transform to this. So mamamatay ka guys, magiging ganito ka. Makukuha mo siya pag nakakuha ng 50 points, which is meron siyang day 1, day 2, day 3. Katulad ng mga events nila nung nakaraan. Now, let's go ahead and check on sales store. Kung ano meron dito. So, what the heck? Cupid umbrella. Woo! So, this should be a parachute, guys, right? It's a parachute kasi meron siyang ganito. Pero ang cute in fairness. So, meron pa din to. Okay, hindi ko to binili kasi parang ano lang parang wala lang. So, let's move to packs. Yun, may Valentine's Day points ka. Makukuha mo yan dyan. You can get it from there. And still, I have the Star Supply is the same. Supreme Supply is the same. Eto, pareho pa rin, which is really disappointing kasi nga been waiting for something new. Firearms, ganun pa rin. Hindi ko to binili, guys. I did not buy this because I have like a lot of M4A1 already. And I don't use M4A1. Minsan lang ako gumagamit ng M4A1 talaga. Alam niyo yung gumagamit ako ng sniper, diba? So, wala. Yeah, that's my opinion about it. So basically guys, anong gagawin natin dito since I have 7,000 diamonds? Bibili natin yung Heartbreaker set. And wait, bibilin ba natin siya? Tayo natin i-draw ng mga 10 beses. Wait, 10 beses ilan 'yan? Hindi, 8 beses para 200 diamonds. 1. Lord, spray paint. 2. Ano 'yun? What the heck? 2. Romantic medallion. 3. Romantic medallion na naman, guys. All right. 4. Yan na naman yung 3 days natin dyan. 5. 100 gold. Para ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung ano yung chances na, 6. 7. Wala pa rin. 1 day. 8. So, basically, guys, nakita nyo na, those are 8. Actually, parang 9 na siya kasi nag-ano ko kanina eh. So, those are 9 draws. So, basically, I got nothing out of it. I got like 3 days, 1 day. So, I'm just gonna buy it directly. So, I have the Heartbreaker set. Let's go. And also, I have the Heart Melter set. Heart Melter and Heartbreaker. Alright. So, we have that, guys. Let's go ahead and also buy... The heck is going on? This one. We have the Thompson Heartache gun. Mga kaibigan. Gets nyo yun? Kaibigan. Right? I'm so cringe. My God. Tama na, guys. Alam ko namang cringe ako. So, yun na yun. So, what we're gonna do, guys, since we have... Guys, eto na. So, alam nyo namang gustong-gusto kong makuha yung... Napaka-asam-asam ko talaga na... Tama ba yung term ko? Napaka-gusto ko. Yun na lang. Napaka-gusto kong car. Ito. Si Red Eclipse tsaka si Blue Eclipse. Hindi ko siya nakukuha, guys. Gusto ko mag-upgrade muna ngayon. Hopefully with 3,400 diamonds, I don't know, that's 800 times what? 3, 4, 3, 6, no, 3 ano lang. So may 3 draws ako, guys. So basically, tatry pa rin natin to. We're gonna still try for this, guys. Please, Ross, this time. This time, Ross. I want to upgrade my Lamborghini, guys. This time. This time. Wala pa rin. Wait. Okay, I can do 2 more upgrades. I'm sorry, ako sa math. 3,200 pala yung 4. So, eto na guys. Woo! Power! So, I'm still not getting the Lamborghini, guys. And this one, oh my gosh. Should I get this one? Ang cute naman ito. Oh my god. This is so cute, guys. Okay, I'm gonna buy it. Bili natin yan, guys. Why not? Coconut, peanut. Alright. Alright, guys. That's it for the video today. Oh, wait. We have something to show you. Yung costume nga pala. So, sorry. May spot ako. So this is it. Wait, what the heck? Taka yan? Yan ba yun? Wala yung ulo. Right, yung ulo na dito. And that yun. Gwapo natin, sir. Ayan na si sir. Meron ba tong emote? Tingnan natin kung may emote. Wala na namang emote. Parang tinigil na lang yung emote. Maybe they stopped the emote, guys. Because that's what I've noticed. We also have the heart one, the heartache. So according to this exclusive firearm, you can what the okay. Pwede mo daw i-upgrade. You can upgrade this. Spend diamond and get max. Wait, I don't. Wait. Natin na tayo. Okay. Okay. So you need to spend diamonds to get additional Churvalu. Okay, so Romance medallions I have 8. I still have a lot to go, but yeah. So that's for the guy costume. This is for the girl costume. Ito yung costume ng babae. So that's and this. You gotta remove the hats. Yep, there you go. And there you go. Oh, that's pretty beautiful. Pretty tapos beautiful pa. Alright. Pero maganda siya. Kit. Ang cute ng costume. So ito guys, this is what I always forget. Pakakita ko sa inyo kung meron ba tayong emote sa Thompson skin. Hopefully din at the same time gusto kong ipakita sa inyo if meron pa bang FPS drop yung game. Please ROS, please fix the FPS drop. Sana wala ng FPS drop. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Parang hindi maganda to. Medyo malag ako ngayon. Oh my god. Ngayon natin. Please wala na. Okay. Okay, parang hopefully okay na. Parang naging okay na. Pero ito yung skin, guys. This is the skin. Ayan. Wala siyang design kasi i-upgrade mo pa siya. And wala siyang emote. So sadly, wala siyang emote. Itong babae din, wala siyang emote. So, fix na ba nila to? Wala pa ring sound. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Yan yung ano din natin, guys. Yan yung tawag mo dito. Wallpaper ng ROS. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please put a like on the video if you like it. Dislike if you dislike it. Tapos, share nyo na din. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And put in the comments below what you think about the update. Kung anong comment nyo about the update. Kung nagustuhan nyo ba. Kung hindi. Para malaman ng ROS. Makita nila yan. And yeah, that's it for me today. And once again, this is Jason Gaming. I am live every day in Facebook. Around 7 to 8 p.m. until 10 to 11 p.m. So punta kayo doon, guys. Chill kayo doon. Nag-live ako doon 7 p.m. Facebook fb.gg/jasongaming. Hanapin nyo lang yung main page ko doon. Doon ako nag-live, okay? So guys, see you all. Thank you so much for watching the video and goodbye.